Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And, thinking of the past and thinking before Windows 11, and even further back than what we're talking about now, which is the Surface Duo. The Surface Duo is officially discontinued, end of support. And this is something that appeared in October of 2019. And of course, there was a Surface Neo that was out also with that. It wasn't a groundbreaking device. Had a lot of features that it lacked, but it was kind of interesting because it was kind of a return. There's an excitement for the return of Microsoft into what could be the phone market, although they didn't call it a phone. Never did want to call it a phone. It's interesting because between 2010 and 2020, we saw an exciting Microsoft that tried so many different things, new devices, and they went into the smartphone business, which didn't work. It didn't work a lot because of Microsoft itself. And of course, there's this Surface Duo, the Neo, all of these devices which came out and were all exciting in a period where Microsoft was exciting before Windows 11 with, Windows 10X. And we thought that we would be getting something new in Windows 10 with Sun Valley. And then everything changed from one day to the next. And we came into what is pretty much a very stale, uninteresting Microsoft suddenly, as if somebody somewhere said, hey, let's stop doing all these things. We don't need that. Let's just be mainstream, which is sad because there's a lot of interesting stuff. And I still remember that there was a lot of things we were all excited about when we talked about it here on the channel in the past few years. All the way back to when some of us were still waiting for Windows 10. When will be released? When will we get our first official Windows 10? And there was an excitement that, even though Windows 12 looks interesting and I want to see what it's going to be all about, there's just not that hype and excitement anymore in Microsoft services, Microsoft products. So this is kind of interesting. So right now the company has, of course, Surface Duo 2. Will there be a 3? We don't know. It's definitely an interesting form factor and project. And, it's a company that has a lot of money to develop all of these devices. And I do hope that they continue playing around with that. And who knows, maybe they'll have a hit at some point. But unfortunately, one of the biggest problems with Microsoft is Microsoft itself. So, interesting to see that all of that is kind of vanished into, even the Windows 10X, which became suddenly Windows 10, and then Windows 11, and now Windows 12, and we don't really have excitement anymore. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.